everyone, today I will share how to make green fruit noodles. The ingredients you will need are green mustard greens, 1 baked MIE instant noodles, 1 egg, bird's eye chilies, soy sauce, and flour and flavoring. Heat oil in a pan. Then fry the egg until cooked and a little flavoring will bring the egg to enhance the tasty. After the egg is cooked, pour enough water into a pot. Add the mustard greens and cooked bird's eye chilies. Once the water boils, add the instant noodles and wait until the noodles are cooked.